That's okay. Keep turning.
I'll have to skip that piece.
Yep, just skip it. Okay, there you go.
Who ate all the dough?
I don't know. Look at the pictures.
Who ate all the dough? I don't know. Bye.
Okay, read the pictures.
Tiger, did you eat my dough? No. Zebra, did you eat all the pudding? No. What's this?
It looks like a llama.
A llama. Mama, did you eat all the pudding? No. And what's this? Kira, did you eat all the pudding? The cookie dough? No. Let's check out Hippo. Hippo, did you eat all the cookie dough? No. And who did it? Love monkey? No. I didn't eat the pudding. So who was it? Zebra, llama, hippo, cheetah, lion,
Stop.
and monkey. But none of them ate it. So, who did? Tell me the truth. So, it was baby kangaroo.
Good job.